It's not every day that a non-celebrity joins YouTube and gets over 1 million subscribers with just 3 videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Flash Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Today we're going to talk about Jennelle Eliana, which is a brand new YouTuber who has exploded on YouTube over the past 4 weeks with over 1 million subscribers, actually 1.5 million subscribers as of making this video with only 3 videos. Now we're used to seeing celebrities joining YouTube and getting a lot of subscribers, over 1 million subscribers really fast, and that's mainly because of name recognition. But every once in a while you hear stories of someone actually joining YouTube and getting thousands and millions of views overnight, becoming a YouTube celebrity. This is what I call hitting the YouTube lottery. The YouTube lottery is basically when YouTube promotes your video or channel to millions of people in a matter of days and weeks. This basically results in millions of views, sometimes thousands of subs, and even millions of subs in the case of Jennelle. This actually doesn't happen very often. You don't see brand new channels launching on YouTube and with one video just basically hitting 1 million subscribers in a matter of a week. Currently, she's on pace to become one of the fastest growing channels on YouTube if she keeps feeding the YouTube gods. So basically, I was able to identify 5 things that she did really well, which I believe actually helped her become a YouTube celebrity overnight. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the Social Blade stats. If you go on Social Blade, you can see that there's not a lot of information because her channel is brand new. You can see that she's getting hundreds of thousands of new subscribers every single day. But if you go back and check her detailed analytics, her first video took off within 48 hours and it was actually getting over 100,000 views in the first 48 hours. That is truly impressive. And we're going to talk about exactly some of the key aspects of that first video that made it all happen. So in the first month, she was able to get over 22 million views to her videos, to her channel, which has resulted in 1.5 million subscribers. And there's really very few people who can say that they have grown a channel to 1.5 million subscribers in just 1 month. The second thing that we need to look at is the video trend. And in this case, her first video was about van life and living in a van. So I started researching on YouTube for videos about living in a van and van tours and things like that. And what I found is that even though there's a lot of videos with millions of views in this category, there's not a lot of people searching for van related keywords like van life and van tour. However, some of the videos that were sitting on YouTube before her video did have a lot of views, and I believe her video was being suggested a lot of times to millions of people because of the previous videos that were sitting on YouTube in that specific category. Which brings me to point number 3, and that is video tags. She did a great job actually creating tags for her videos. In fact, if you go on her first video, you can see all the tags that she listed for that specific category, and she actually went straight to the point with the tags, and you can see the different tags that she used. And if you go on YouTube and you start searching for those specific tags, you can see that there's videos with millions and millions of views in those categories. So by using those related tags specifically to her category and niche, she was able to piggyback off the views of related videos in that same category, allowing her to increase her chances of getting suggested and getting even more views. Now, one of the most important stats on YouTube when it comes to growing a YouTube channel and getting more people to watch your videos is watch time. If you take a look at her first video, you can see that her video is over 20 minutes long. It's about 27 minutes long, and the higher the watch time, the more likely YouTube is to actually suggest your video to more people. Now, I did research some of the videos in that specific category of van life and van tour, and you can find that the top videos with millions of views usually have videos of 20+ minutes. Videos with less than 15 minutes tend to have less views than those that have 20+ minutes in this specific category. This actually doesn't apply to every single niche, but in this specific category, what I noticed is that if you start searching for those keywords, you'll find that many of the videos in that specific categories that have hundreds of thousands of views or over 1 million views were actually 20+ minutes long. I believe this actually was intentional when it comes to Jennelle on what she did. She created a video that's almost 30 minutes long, and I bet that that she actually researched on YouTube before uploading her video to see, what other people were uploading, how long the video was, and what type of keywords she could use for her video. So it was definitely the right strategy to use with her video, and I believe that actually played a huge impact of getting that video to go viral and getting YouTube to suggest that video to millions of people in a matter of a week. Which brings me to point number 5, and that is the entertainment aspect of her video. Now, I have no interest in this type of videos of living in a van and van tours and things like that, but I started watching her video, and over the first 3 minutes she actually captured my attention. She actually made it really entertaining, and basically without noticing I actually watched almost the entire video because she made it very entertaining to watch. So when it comes to actually reaching a huge audience on YouTube, the entertainment aspect of making a video that people would like to watch or people enjoy because you are able to bring that charisma to the video. So in my opinion, I believe that she did a lot of things right in order to make this happen. Now, this actually doesn't guarantee that if you try to follow this formula, you're gonna go viral on YouTube and you're gonna get 1 million subs in a matter of a week. However, you can definitely learn from some of the things that she did, and you can apply and see if you can apply it to every single video that you upload on YouTube with the intention of getting closer to get your video suggested, to increasing your chances of getting YouTube to suggest your videos and perhaps hitting the YouTube lottery. So guys, I just wanted to share my thoughts on this amazing channel and what she did, which is truly amazing, of being able to hit 1 million subs in a matter of a month. Not a lot of people can say that, and it's definitely something that we can use as an example of what's possible on YouTube, and hopefully we can take some of this information and apply it to our own YouTube channels. So I appreciate your time. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.